Welcome back, everybody. Well, the frozen tundra was definitely not frozen today. It was actually melting just a little bit, at least by September standards, with temperatures up into the 80s, way above normal for this time of year. But we've got some major changes on the way. As you take a look at your 7-day temperature trend, you can see highs over the next week or so will only be in the 60s and 70s across northeast Wisconsin. But today it felt like the middle of summer out there. Take a look at this. Temperatures getting up into the upper 70s and lower 80s across all of northeast Wisconsin. So far, September has been sizzling. 17 of the first 20 days have been at or above normal. Our normal high is 68, and once again today we were running a good 10 to 15 degrees above that. And even right now, we are still looking at mainly mid to upper 70s here away from Lake Michigan, closer to the lake. Temperatures are currently in the 60s to around 70 degrees. Right now in Appleton, it is 79 degrees. We have setting sunshine. In Green Bay, here at Lambeau Field, in fact, the temperature is also 79 degrees, and you can see the sun is setting. We've got blue skies and kind of a mixture of sun and clouds with those blue skies. The sun will be setting here before 7 o'clock this evening. Now, we had a cold front move across the area yesterday. That cold front has now stalled out to our south, but it's going to return north as a warm front later on today. That front separating some midsummer heat and humidity from more seasonable temperatures across Minnesota and northern Wisconsin today. Now, as that front lifts north, it's going to produce on and off showers and thunderstorms. We've already seen that today across parts of Minnesota and far western Wisconsin. And once the front gets here, it's going to kind of stall out here for the next 2 or 3 days. It's going to move north. It's going to move south at times. But the main story here, with that front so close, we're going to be looking at the chance for repeated periods of rain and or thunderstorms across the area. And when you have one after another cluster of thunderstorms moving over the same area, the rain totals can get quite impressive. And you can see here the high-res computer forecast models are suggesting a lot of rain could fall across the upper Midwest during the next 2 to 3 days. For that reason, a flash flood watch has already been issued to our west. We'll have to wait and see how this first thunderstorm complex develops tonight, and then we'll find out if we're going to have that threat for flash flooding or at least river flooding here in northeast Wisconsin as we move through the next couple of days. So the first area of thunderstorms will develop tonight across southeastern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. In fact, some of those thunderstorms could be severe, and those thunderstorms are going to be moving east. The severity will be decreasing as they head towards Lake Michigan, but there is a marginal threat and even a slight risk for severe weather across the area later on tonight. You can watch just a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm later on this evening, and then watch this huge complex of thunderstorms develop across Minnesota and Iowa and western Wisconsin. It'll then shift east towards the eastern part of the state late tonight into tomorrow morning. The main threats with this first cluster of thunderstorms will be heavy rain, but we could also be looking at the potential for some high winds and some large hail and, of course, deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Now, that cluster of showers and thunderstorms will move east by tomorrow morning. Behind it, we'll see a lot of clouds and a few more showers and thunderstorms. And then as the warm front gets closer tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, another big area of heavy rain and thunderstorms is going to move across Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin, and we'll keep that chance for rain in the forecast as we head into Friday as well. In fact, as you take a look once again at the high-res computer forecast model as far as rainfall is concerned, you can see it's putting out a lot of heavy rain across the southern part of the viewing area. It does a great job with predicting how much rain might fall. It does a terrible job of predicting where it's going to fall. So this could shift south or north. We'll just have to wait and see, and of course I'll update the forecast as we move through the next couple of days. Tonight, showers and storms developing, lows in the upper 50s. Tomorrow, we'll see showers and thunderstorms with high temperatures, much cooler than today, mid-60s to mid-70s. Right now, we'll call it 70. We'll see 60s to around 70 for Thursday and Friday, on and off showers and thunderstorms continuing. A chance for a shower on Saturday and Sunday here at Lambeau Field. Sun and clouds, a chance for a shower, so the whole day is not going to be dry, but then we will start to dry out as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Of course, the Packers have not played here at Lambeau in over a month, but they're going to be playing here for the next month or so. And I did do this at 5 o'clock. Going to do it again here at 6. I've always wanted to do it. I'm the only person here besides Adam, and it's the Lambeau. Woo! It never gets old. Back to you, Stacy.